My name is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. I am so excited because I have a new recipe for you. It's my vegan chili mac and cheese. This is actually new to YouTube, but it's one of my most popular recipes on my website. It is loved by all, young, old, and I get so many rave reviews, so I decided I had to share it with you, my Healthier Steps YouTube family. If you're seeing this video for the first time and you've not subscribed to my channel, I want for you to stop right now and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell where you can be updated on all my latest recipes. And I have so many recipes currently, and I have so many recipes in store for you. Okay, so with the chili mac and cheese, it's everything for comfort. And I know we're heading towards winter time, and we're the fall and the winter where we're thinking of all those warm, cozy meals. And so this one tastes to me better than original. So it is all vegan. There's no animal products in it, and it tastes absolutely delicious. And it's so comforting that you've got to make it. So let's get started. So the recipe calls for a small onion, so I'm going to be using a half of one. I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm having smoked paprika, regular chili, and I'm using my homemade chili and cumin and regular paprika. Oh, it smells great in here. And I'm adding a little oregano right here. Smells really good. Next, I'm adding salt. And I'm going to add my red beans. I'm adding some tomato paste. Okay, and it's smelling real good in here. I'm just letting the tomato paste cook out, melt a little bit. Smells really good. It looks really good. It's coming. I'm gonna add some diced tomatoes, and these are roasted diced tomatoes because that's what I had. You can use regular diced tomatoes. Next, I'm adding gluten-free pasta. I'm adding gluten-free pasta, and I only need about 10 ounces. So this container contains, no, I need 8 ounces, and this container contains 12 ounces. So I'm going to use the whole pack. I'm going to leave back a little bit so that when I purchase more, I can always add it to it. Right? So you're just going to stir. You're just going to stir the pasta. Look at that. Really looking good. You're just going to stir it. And making sure you coat the pasta with all the nice seasonings. And the final ingredient that I'm going to add is some homemade veggie broth. Just scrape down the sides and I get everything. If you've never made chili mac and cheese in an Instant Pot, it's so easy. You basically put everything in, and we're going to just close the Instant Pot and let it come to pressure cook for about 4 minutes. And basically that's it. And we're going to just add so our chili mac is ready, and we're going to add the cheese to make it our chili mac and cheese. So I'm going to turn the valve, open the valve, and open the valve to release the steam. And if you want to be careful, if there's a lot of steam coming from it, you can put a towel. Sometimes I wet the towel. A damp towel is even better, or a pot holder. And once the steam is completely released, you'll hear a pin drop. Once the pin drops, then you can safely open the lid. Oh, this is perfect. The pasta looks perfect, and you're just gonna stir it. And let me show you. Everything is cooked to perfection. There's no liquid remaining, and look at that. Perfect. No liquid in the bottom. Everything is just the right amount of liquid that was involved, and I know it's delicious. My mouth is already watering, but I need to add the cheese. And also, one thing I left out was the vegan crumbles. You can add that as well when you're sauteing your veggies. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Today I didn't feel like adding it, but if you want some extra protein along with your kidney beans, you can add some vegan crumbles, and you can find them in most health food store, or you can even make your own version. You can add crumble tofu, you can add, some people might use walnut meat, and so many variations, cauliflower, anything you want to add to it to add that extra oomph. You can crumble some vegan burgers in it, saute them and crumble them up, and there you go. But next I'm going to add my vegan cheese. So I purchased this block of vegan cheese, and I find it at Whole Foods or most major supermarkets. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off just going to use probably about half, just the amount, any amount you want to use, and I'm just going to grate it. Just enough to sprinkle on top. And here you go. Just add this in it. There you go. Nice. children who really love this dish. This is a great family meal, and children especially love it. Look at it, so delicious, creamy, smells amazing, and the look is perfect. Chili mac and cheese, vegan chili mac and cheese, cheesy and flavorful with just the right amount of spices, the smoked paprika, the regular paprika, the cumin, the oregano, with all the nice spices. And next I'm going to serve. I want to taste it. I'm so excited to taste it because I know it's so good, and I can see why my readers love my version of vegan chili mac. So delicious. Oh wow. I have to make sure it's cool a little bit. But look at it, perfect. Looks really, really good. And I don't want it to burn me, so I'm gonna give it a little let it cool a little bit. Ooh. Let it cool a little bit. Wow. It's really good. Absolutely delicious. The burst of flavors. The flavors are popping. You've got to try this recipe. This one is a winner. Be sure to subscribe on my channel for more delicious recipes like this. Hit on the notification bell so that you can be updated on all our latest recipes. And be sure to see you again for my next video.